In today's video, I was scrolling through Roblox and I found this game called Eat the World. In this game, you have to eat. None. Bro, there's a lot of big people here. Let's try to get big as them. Bro, they keep throwing stuff at me. And I died. So yeah, it's been a long time since I uploaded. I uploaded a vid yesterday of me getting copyrighted even though I didn't even watch any videos that day. I was just randomly grinding in box fruits and I got copyrighted, so I had to take down the video. So yeah, today we're playing this game because I have no video ideas. Yeah, and like I said, I was randomly scrolling in Roblox. So yeah, I'm eating. What is this for? Oh, it's for upgrades. You can upgrade. Those I need orbs. So yeah, we're almost gonna reach 100 subscribers. So yeah, once we reach 100 subscribers, let's try to reach 500. Thank you guys for all your support. We're almost at 100. After we get to 100, we're gonna try to get to 500 subscribers. Again, thanks for all your support. I know my mic is not that good because I'm recording on my phone. But a lot of you guys still watch my videos and someone just threw dirt at me. Bro, who's doing that? Oh, that guy. So let me just wait this. So yeah, I can't breathe that well because my nose is kinda stuffy. Oh, we have enough money to increase my sound. What? 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 I'm lagging. Oh, what's the next one? Yeah, let me go eat this tree. What? Can't get any more tree types. None. Let me go eat this wood. Bro, I can't get it. I can't get it. Let's go throw stuff. Okay. I can't get this tree. Yeah. Now can I get it? Yum. It's like eating chocolate. It's like eating chocolate. Oh, I can spin? Oh, I have to let the game and then to play it. So yeah guys, I had to join the game and group. Oh yeah, let me go eat this. So yeah, playing this on an alt account. Okay, so my recording just ended. Let me go increase the volume. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna go check the audio later. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. Oh, I got it. Yo, this guy's murdering me. Yeah, yeah. That guy is gonna be dead later. We have to overcome him because we're dying. He keeps throwing his stuff. So we need to be the biggest in this server. What? What happened? Okay, so I guess that's for today's video. Yeah, I couldn't overcome that guy because he's too big. But maybe next time I'll go play this game again. So yeah, the Bloxfruit videos. I don't know if I should make more. Go tell in the comments if I should continue the Bloxfruit journey until level 700. So yeah, I guess bye guys.